get you over the small debate that began over the demand of 3 deputy chief ministers' positions in Siddaramaiah Sarkar in Karnataka, which has now become big and snowballed into a political flashpoint. With the story now taking new color almost every day, several political conspiracy theories are now doing the rounds. They are floating around. The major focus is now on cabinet ministers K.N. Rajanna and Zameer Ahmed, who have been advocating sharing of power. However, the opposition BJP is convinced that this power tussle is between Siddaramaiah and his deputy D.K. Shivkumar.
I don't think there is any discussion on that matter. However, I don't want to discuss or make my reaction on that issue because already our High Command has advised not to raise such issues. I don't want to make any comment on that.
ಸಾರ್ವಜನಿಕ ವಲಯದ ಚರ್ಚೆ ಆಗುವಂತ ಅವಶ್ಯಕತೆ ಇಲ್ಲ. ಇದೇನೇ ಇದ್ರೂ ಒಂದು ಆಂತರಿಕ ವಿಷಯ. ಸಿಎಂ ಇದ್ದಾರೆ, ಪಾರ್ಟಿ ಅಧ್ಯಕ್ಷರಿದ್ದಾರೆ, ದೆಹಲಿಯ ವರಿಷ್ಠರಿದ್ದಾರೆ, ಕೂತ್ಕೊಂಡು ಅದ್ರ ಬಗ್ಗೆ ಒಂದು ತೀರ್ಮಾನ ಮಾಡಬಹುದು. ಅದ್ರ ಬಗ್ಗೆ ಏನಿಲ್ಲ, ತಕರಾರಿಲ್ಲ.
Now, meanwhile, as far as these demands that have been made, amid that, we are looking at the Chief Minister Siddaramaiah himself, who is set to be on his way to Delhi. If he is expected to meet the High Command, will these issues now be raised? As far as even his deputy D.K. Shivkumar has been saying that anybody with ambitions, when it comes to political ambitions, does want a power position within the cabinet, but the final decision is only in the hands of the Chief Minister or the party top brass. But meanwhile, the ruling Congress party and the BJP are involved in a political slugfest, with the Congress party maintaining that there is no dissent in the party, and the opposition, the BJP, is the one which is trying to create unnecessary pressure. Meanwhile, the BJP feels otherwise. Let's listen into their reactions as well.
कांग्रेस बढ़ चुका है सीएम और डिप्टी सीएम के बीच में, उसका ही नतीजा है कि 3 चाहिए 4 चाहिए। कांग्रेस को भी डेमोक्रेसी से मतलब नहीं है और काम करने से मतलब नहीं है, सिर्फ पावर हंग्री है। और सीएम डिप्टी सीएम बनना चाहता है, सीएम अपनी कुर्सी बचाना चाहता है, उसका संघर्ष का ही नतीजा है 3-4 डिप्टी बनना। It is the against the will of the people of Karnataka.
Deputy CM wants to become CM. So they want all rotation for monthly basis CM, yearly basis CM, 1 deputy CM, 5 deputy CM, 10 deputy CM. Somebody says, oh, make all the ministers as deputy CM. So all the designation can be seen and enjoyed by the MLAs. They are not worried about the people of Karnataka.
Now, in the meantime, sources informing us that the Karnataka police politics, amid that, Chief Minister Siddaramaiah is set to camp in Delhi to resolve the ongoing battle for the Deputy Chief Minister's post. As meanwhile, sources also indicate that a cabinet expansion in the coming time is imminent amid the internal strife within the Karnataka Congress Sarkar. We have Neha with us. Neha, good morning. Has the issue raised, gone up to such a level that it is expected that Siddaramaiah, when he is in Delhi, will be meeting the party top brass to discuss it?
Well, Amita, yes. In fact, the Chief Minister does have some scheduled meetings with some union ministers in Delhi, for which, in fact, he's traveling. But, of course, at the end of the day, we're seeing that as there is some trouble brewing in, the camp here in Karnataka with regard to the Deputy Chief Minister's post, he may also, of course, plan to meet with the High Command, is what we're being told, to try and resolve this crisis. Also, given the fact that, it has, of course, been an year now and there has been a demand now coming forth for a cabinet expansion as well, that also may be something that could be discussed.
All right. Neha, thank you very much for that update. As far as Chief Minister Siddaramaiah is concerned, he is expected now to camp in Delhi today. Meanwhile, the chatters that seems to be intensifying around the creation of multiple deputies, D.K. Shivkumar broke his silence over the issue. Without giving away much, he said the Chief Minister and the party chief, Malika Arjun, are the ones who can take the final call.
ನೀವೆಲ್ಲ ನಾವು ನ್ಯೂಸ್ ಹಾಕ್ತಿರಲ್ಲ ಏನಾದ್ರು ಹೇಳಿದ್ರೆ ಅದು ಪಾಪ ಖುಷಿ ಪಡೋನು ನಾನು ಬೇಡ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಕ್ಕಾಗ್ತದ? ಯಾರು ಏನ್ ಬೇಕಾದ್ರೂ ಬೇಡಿಕೆ ಮಾಡಲಿ, ಪಾರ್ಟಿ ಯಾರಿಗೇನು ಉತ್ತರ ಕೊಡಬೇಕು ಕೊಡ್ತದೆ. ಸಿಂಪಲ್. ನೀವು ಮಲ್ಲಿಕಾರ್ಜುನ್ ಖರ್ಗೆ ಸಾಹೇಬ್ರನ್ನ ನಮ್ಮ ಇನ್ಚಾರ್ಜ್ ಜನರಲ್ ಸೆಕ್ರೆಟರಿ ಇದ್ರೆ ಭೇಟಿ ಮಾಡಿ, ಇಲ್ಲ ಚೀಫ್ ಮಿನಿಸ್ಟರ್ ಕೇಳಿ.
Well, as far as brother is concerned, he seems to be suggesting that why 1 or 2 or 3 can make 5 positions of deputy chief ministers. We will be getting you more reactions on that. Of course, the political developments coming up after a very short break. You're watching Times Now.